Well, good afternoon. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady, and I said I would show you guys the giant one that I made. I made these out of 6x6 papers, and I have to say it was a lot easier to put together a larger one than this tiny small one. You can see the difference in the size. Of course, these would definitely be too big to put on a Christmas tree, unless you had a really big Christmas tree maybe. But they would be nice for packages, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some on to decorate packages with. And I'm going to put some in the packages, you know, so they can hang them on the tree. But anyway, today I'm going to decorate some envelopes for gift cards. I have a whole bunch of, these are like 2 3/4 by, or 2 3/4 by 4 inches, and they're perfect for gift cards. And I thought I would just do some embossing. I thought maybe I could do, like, I have a cardinal, and then this just says Christmas blessings, and I'm going to emboss it in gold. And then I'm going to take this little moon and star stamp and make stamps to go on, you know, to seal the envelopes. But I think I'm going to make them all up at once and then glue them onto the envelopes, because I'm not sure if the heat will ruin the cards or not. So that's how we're going to do that. Alright, I thought since I'm using gold for the embossing that it might be good to use this goldish color wax for the seal. Got a whole bunch of colors here, and I guess I'll just use what I use up my gold, and then if I run out, I'll use another color. 13,000 hours later, I will show you how things went. These are my mess ups. That's got like a hole in it. This one's edge is missing. This one got some black stuff on it. This one broke, like it's all messy here. And this one doesn't have the edges on it. And I ended up having to switch because this happened. I'm gonna have to figure out how, I've never had this happen before, so I'll have to heat it up, I guess, to get it out of there. Or this is my last one, so I switched to a crown, and so now I have 2 red moons, 2 red crowns, 2 gold moons, and 2 green crowns. Now the gold, I realized quickly that it's not going to show up, like the design isn't going to show up that well, because what I'm going to do is take my gold metallic marker and just kind of highlight the design. And it'll show up a little better, I think. Yeah. So that's what we're going to do there, how we're going to handle that. I've done this before. It's got to be careful doing it because you can make a mess. So that's going to go like that. And so I think maybe I'll just do the gold ones in silver. Let's do one more. And I think it's going to be pretty. Yeah, be careful not to get on the parts you don't want gold, but there, I think that's good. Alright, shows up a little bit better that way. So I'll do that on all of these. And we will get to the embossing. Alright, so I have got 6 envelopes. This one is just a card. It's not a, it's a scratch off. So this one is going to have its own, I'm going to have to make an envelope for that one. So the others are all normal cards, and so what I'm going to do now is do the embossing. Always like magic with this thing. Alright, we're right side up. Get my glasses on. I'm in frame. I haven't done this in a while either, so hopefully it still works. Looks pretty good. I don't see... Oops. Oh, that's crooked. Let's put the embossing powder on. Dump it off. Looks pretty good. Alright, move it out of the way and heat it. Can you still see? It's working. Not the straightest. I may use this one for my own journal. That was practice. Let's do a snowflake this time. Okay. I don't, I guess it did. Doesn't look quite all the way there. We'll see, I guess. Okay. If it messed up, I'll do it again. Well, I think it did okay. Some of the parts that I don't want got on it. All right, let's get this one done. All right, I'm going to do the rest off camera, and I'll be back. So I have all the envelopes done, and now I'm just going to glue these seals on. Let's get these out of the way so I don't get glue on stuff I'm not supposed to. Spread it around, and there we go. I don't want to get glue on, you know, from my fingers the next envelope, so I guess it doesn't really matter which way it goes. Could be waxing or waning, right? I'll show everything when I'm all done. Okay, so this is my next page, but this has a pocket. So I think I am just going to, remember how I cut the other side of this page out? I think I'm just going to go ahead and, this one is still attached to an actual page that I use, so I'm going to have to trim it off there. And I'm going to take this and do that. Because I don't want to skip a page, and I don't feel like I need this blank page. So let's do this. And that pocket will work out perfectly for my envelope. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, and I don't know if I want to glue it this way or that way. I think it would probably look better glued to this page, so let's just go ahead and do that. If I want to, I can put some ribbon or washi tape over here. And I will, because I seeped some glue out and it doesn't look so great. Maybe I'll put some on this side too, to make it even. Alright, So for this one, number 9, I've got my, I'm just going to glue my, where is it? Which one was I using? Green. I'm only going to glue it halfway so that I can still open my envelope and save it. So let's do that. I'm going to just go ahead and glue this on like this. And it'll look like it's sealed, but it won't really be sealed. Okay, so I found these winter Christmassy washi tapes to cover this with. I kind of feel like this is kind of festive, but I don't know if it'll clash with that. Let's try the green. That might look better. Plus, I don't have that much room down here either. So I've cut off the washi. It doesn't look too bad. And now I'm just going to take my envelope and put it in here. But I'm also going to find something to put in the envelope, and I'm going to, I kind of like this, put this across the top. And I feel like I need to decorate a little bit. So let's put this up here. Hopefully there's enough of it. Okay, we don't want to go off the page on the top part. Alright, so there's that. And I need to find something to decorate this with and something to put in the envelope. I need like a little Christmas card. Alright, so here's what all the finished envelopes look like. Oh, this one's mine. I just glued it on halfway so I could still open it. I used the Christmas tag, gift tag, and I just cut off the top part where the hole was. And I can use this to journal about going to the Christmas tree lighting last night. This is or I guess it's a rat from the Nutcracker. And there was even a littler guy dressed up like a rat too. And there was horses and horse-drawn wagons and a petting zoo, and my grandson just had a great time. So I'll go ahead and journal about that off camera. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you have had a wonderful day. And our sun has disappeared again, but we'll survive. Hope you're happy and healthy and well, and we'll see you again tomorrow. And in tomorrow's video, I'll go ahead and we'll make an envelope for this card on camera. So thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.